A furnace limit switch trips when the system is overheating or sensing unsafe operating conditions. A common cause is restricted airflow, so start by checking and replacing the filter every 1 to 3 months, depending on use and dust levels. A visibly clogged filter can raise the cabinet temperature enough to trigger the switch. Inspect return and supply vents to ensure they are open and unobstructed, and confirm the blower wheel spins freely by turning the fan on separately and listening for smooth operation. A failing blower motor or loose belt will reduce airflow and create heat buildup. High gas pressure or improper burner adjustment can force excessive heat production. So measure manifold pressure or have a qualified technician tune the burner and check the gas regulator for correct settings. A cracked or deteriorating heat exchanger can create abnormal temperature patterns and requires immediate repair or replacement because it can also allow combustion gases into the cabinet. Look for rust, visible cracks, or soot and prioritize a heat exchanger inspection. Poor venting or blocked flue passages cause heat and combustion byproducts to remain in the heat exchanger area, so clear bird nests, debris, or secondary condensate blockages, and verify proper draft with a smoke pencil or draft gauge. Finally, a faulty limit switch, corroded wiring, or loose connections will create nuisance trips, so test the switch for continuity at operating temperatures and replace connectors or the switch if readings are inconsistent. Most people miss basic airflow checks and replace controls without fixing the root problem, so always verify filters, vents, and blower function before swapping parts. Another frequent issue is assuming the furnace produces normal heat when the real problem is high gas pressure or burner misadjustment. So do not skip a pressure and combustion analysis. Correct the regulator and adjust the burner screws to manufacturer specifications. A third common mistake is delaying heat exchanger inspection because it is costly, but letting cracks worsen risks, safety, and repeated trips, so arrange prompt inspection and repair when any signs of stress appear. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors for heating and furnace repairs, and we make it easy for contractors to find work in their service areas. We also host a discussion community where we and our members share troubleshooting tips and contractor experiences to help you make informed decisions.